Okay, this is going to be a relatively short video. Um, I'm in a hurry today and I'm just trying to get things done. But these two, this is supposed to be a purple jalapeno. And this is definitely not a jalapeno, but it has great flavor. I've already cut one open and got the seeds out. And I don't know how good of a picture I can get of that. But I'm about to, they've been soaking for about, 3 to 5 days, and I'm going to end up dumping them out on some paper towels in a plastic bag to get them to root. And this here is what they call a patio pepper, and they come in all different colors. I haven't looked to see if you can eat them or not. My point is I have these two to give away. Their DNA has not changed because they have not been grown indoors, but peppers don't need a whole lot of light. So if anyone is interested, this is a really good tasting hot pepper. This one I haven't tried yet, but if you're interested in these, let me know. If not, I can only grow so many peppers in my house. I have grandchildren, so I have to keep them up as high as possible because they get so pretty, they want to taste them. So hit me up if you're interested in them, and if you don't live local, I would just need for you to cover the postage, which wouldn't be a lot. And then I'd have to check and see what my local laws are. Anyway, that's all.